Hi everyone, this is Ami Diamond from Trombone Wizard. I'd like to show you in the new Copilot chat interface how you can actually write a prompt and also add some icons or emojis. So I'll go to the chat and I will write here, make a list of pros and cons for Copilot. Okay, so now it's creating a list of pros and cons. You see, it added actually an icon for each topic separately. But what if I want to add it for each of these items? So what I'll do is, first of all, I'll ask add it to a table. This way we can see all of the pros on one side and the cons on the other side. And voila, look, it's amazing. Actually, we see that it added the icons to each of the items. I would like also that the title will be with an icon. So I will say, and can you add the icons to the title of the table? And let's see, absolutely. And we will see that now it's adding it only to the title. So let's maybe tell them to add it for each item. Please add the icons for all items in the table. And let's see what we do. What happens here is actually it's doing very, very creative icons, but not relevant to what we wanted. So let's do the last thing. Maybe we will say remove all icons from table. Let's see what happens. And now we don't have it. And maybe just say, please add it only to the titles and export it to a Word file. And let's see what's going to happen. We're waiting, it's analyzing, and let's see what's happening. So here's your Word document, pros and cons. If we click here, we will see it has created it, and we can see that it actually did not do that. So let's maybe continue here. Let's go to the Copilot icon. And here I will write add to the pros an icon of which icon of a V, and for cons an icon of an X. So let's see what it does here. So it's asking here some things. Maybe we will choose this one and insert, and this is not what we wanted. So hopefully you learned something new, and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.